Hello and welcome to Showcase Training's OneFile presentation. This presentation aims to provide you with guidance on how to navigate OneFile during your qualification. You can find a TLAPS set by your tutor in your task folder. The task folder is located in the left sidebar, in the clipboard in the top right hand corner, and in the task icon on your dashboard. Once you have clicked on the task folder, it will ask you to sign your recently prepared TLAPS. To find a TLAPS on your portfolio, scroll down to the My Portfolio icon on your dashboard. Then click the TLAPS icon with the light bulb symbol. It will say one pending if you have recently been set a TLAPS by your tutor. A TLAPS will contain all the tasks for you to complete ahead of your next visit with your tutor. It also has information such as the date and time of your next planned visit, as well as if the visit is remote or face-to-face. Once you scroll down, you will see all the tasks and coursework set for you by your tutor. You can then see the instructions and learning resources for each task, as well as the start date and the due date. Please note that each task will have a different due date. You will be set different types of tasks, including assignments, knowledge tasks, observations, and professional discussions. The tutor will attach any guidance or support in the attachments box. Your tutor will also use the comments box to provide you with information on how to complete the tasks and include any relevant information, for example, the date of your next visit. Once you have read and understood the work that has been set for you, you have to sign your name in the yellow signatures box at the bottom and then click Accept. This tells your tutor that you've acknowledged the task set and generates a task for you to complete. Once you have signed the TLAPS, all the tasks will be moved into the task folder for you to get started on. Once you have accepted the TLAPS, all the tasks will be moved into the task folder, which can be found on the left sidebar, the clipboard on the top right of the screen, and also on the dashboard. You can also access tasks on your portfolio under the Learning Activities/Assessments tab. Here you can see the different types of tasks set. To find an old TLAPS, go to your portfolio and scroll down to Teaching, Learning and Assessment Plans. Here you can see all the previous TLAPSs that you have accepted. To complete an assignment, go to your task folder and find the assignment set by your tutor. Here you can see the instructions for the assignment. You have the choice to download the assignment as a Word document or as a PDF. Once you open the Word document, you will be told how to complete the assignment. The assignment contains boxes for you to fill and complete. Make sure you save the assignment when you are finished. Once you have completed the assignment, you will see all the criteria that you have met. You are then able to upload your completed assignment as an attachment in the Evidence Attachments box. Make sure you click Attach. Once you have attached a document, it will appear in the Evidence Attachments box. You are also able to add any comments or feedback about the assignment for your tutor. You should then fill out a timesheet. Here you can write the date the assignment was completed, the start time, and how long the assignment took you to complete. Make sure you tick the off-the-job training box to ensure that the activity counts as off-the-job training time. Once you have completed the assignment, sign your name in the yellow signatures box at the bottom. You then have the option to save and refresh or save and quit. This will send the assignment to your tutor for marking. To complete a knowledge task, find the activity in your task folder or in the box Learning Activities/Assessments. Once you have clicked on the task, it will provide you with instructions on how to complete the activity. Your tutor will link any learning resources that will support you with your answers. When you scroll down, you will see the boxes that need to be filled in to complete the knowledge task. You are able to add any evidence attachments as well as any feedback or comments for your tutor. When you are completing the boxes, you are able to save and quit as you go. We recommend you save after completing each box. This also means that you do not have to answer each box in one go. Once you have finished the knowledge task, you should then fill out a timesheet. Here you can write the date it was completed, the start time, and how long the knowledge task took you to complete. Make sure you tick the off-the-job training box to ensure that the time spent on this activity counts as off-the-job training time. Sign your name in the yellow signatures box at the bottom. You then have the option to save and refresh or save and quit. This will send the knowledge task to your tutor for marking. To complete an observation, find the observation task in your task folder. Once you click on the task, it will come up with the instructions of the observation as well as any resources to support you. For an observation, you do not have to complete any coursework directly to send to your tutor, as the observation is carried out during your next visit. However, you do have to record how you prepared for the observation through a journal entry. Once you have completed the journal entry, you can go back and view the instructions of the observation at any point. To do this, go to your portfolio, scroll down to Teaching, Learning and Assessment Plans, and find the latest observation. To complete a professional discussion, find the task in your task folder. Once you click on the task, it will come up with the details of the professional discussion as well as any resources to support you. For a professional discussion, you do not have to complete any coursework directly to send to your tutor, as the professional discussion is carried out during your next visit. However, you do have to record how you prepared for the professional discussion through a journal entry. Once you have completed the journal entry, you can go back and view the instructions of the professional discussion at any point. To do this, go to your portfolio, scroll down to Teaching, Learning and Assessment Plan, find the latest plan and find the latest professional discussion. To add a journal entry, click Journal in the left sidebar. Alternatively, go to your portfolio and find the journal icon. Here you can add all the off-the-job training opportunities and learning and development activities that you have completed in the setting. You should write what you have learned and how it has been implemented. You should add a title, select what category it relates to, the start date and time of the activity, as well as the duration of the activity. You are also able to add any attachments to support your journal entry. To view and send messages, find the Messages tab in the left sidebar. Here you can see all of the messages that you have received. If you would like to send a message, click the New Message box. Enter who you would like to send the message to, the subject of the message, as well as the body of the message. You also have the option of adding an attachment. When you are happy, click Send. To find the personal development plan, go to your portfolio and click the Forms tab. Then click on Personal Development Plan. Here you can enter your personal targets throughout the apprenticeship at induction, midpoint and endpoint. To find resources, click on the Resources tab in the left sidebar. Here you will find childcare and functional skills resources. In this tab, you can also find all the policies for your apprenticeship. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions regarding how to navigate OneFile, please contact us.